If you're checking your credit score or monitoring your financial health, annualcreditreport.com is probably the first site you'll hear about. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another credit reporting service, but the surprising truth is that it's the only federally authorized site that gives you a free credit report from all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion once every 12 months. Here's how it works. Visit annualcreditreport.com and provide your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. You'll then select which bureau reports you want to access. You can download and save your reports as PDFs for future reference. This site is secure and straightforward, but one thing to know is that it only provides your credit reports, not your credit score. If you want your actual score, you may need to purchase it separately or use a credit monitoring service. Most people get this wrong. They expect to see their score automatically, but the report is more about your account history, inquiries, and public records. Using Annual Credit Report is important because it helps you spot errors, detect identity theft, and plan your financial future. You can review your accounts, verify payment histories, and ensure there are no unauthorized accounts open in your name. In conclusion, annualcreditreport.com is a must-use tool for anyone serious about their financial health. It's free, authorized by the government, and gives you a complete snapshot of your credit history from all three major bureaus. If this review helped you understand how to use Annual Credit Report effectively, subscribe for more honest financial tools reviews and tips to improve your credit.